Ensuring the Welsh Government is held to account on its policy and actions in tackling the causes and consequences of climate change is a key priority for members of the Climate Change, Environment and Rural Affairs Committee. We're establishing a programme of scrutiny that will include an assessment of progress on at least an annual basis. This programme will also include scrutiny of how existing policy and new climate change legislation is being implemented in Wales. To assist us with this work, we will be establishing an expert reference group of stakeholders and academics. We're in the process of finalising terms of reference for the group and establishing its membership. We're looking to commission a facilitator to convene this group and coordinate its work, reporting back to the committee. To express interest in this role, please contact our committee clerk. I'll make a further statement once the group is established. We will publish a report that sets out our overall approach to climate change scrutiny before the end of the year. It is also worth emphasising that climate change is a cross-cutting issue. I'm keen to work with other Assembly committees to ensure their work is contributing appropriately to the climate change agenda, and I'll be raising this with all Assembly committee chairs at a meeting in November. We'll be scrutinising the Welsh Government's performance against its stated targets of reducing greenhouse gas emissions by 3% year on year in devolved policy areas and achieving a 40% reduction in total emissions by 2020 against the 1990 baseline. We'll also scrutinise the extent to which the Welsh Government is fulfilling its new duties under the Environment Act 2016. The Act commits the Welsh Government to ensure that net Welsh emissions for the year 2050 are 80% lower than the baseline, set interim emission targets for 2020, 2030 and 2040, and set carbon budgets, including an initial one for 2016 to 2020, although surprisingly this doesn't need to be set until December 2018. By working with stakeholders and others, the Climate Change, Environment and Rural Affairs Committee will assess whether the Welsh Government is on track to meet these objectives, reporting back to the Assembly and to Wales as a whole.